All right, family. Y'all know I be doing the most. Instead of just stepping back from the camera to show y'all my pants, I decide to put the camera on the ground and show you my pants. I swear, I can't. I'm too much sometimes. I really am. So my point of telling y'all about my outfit was because the brother told me how to dress for the bird tour. And I wanted to make sure I shared that. So if you ever go on a bird tour, you know how you should prepare. Okay, you know what? Let's see. It looks like he's typing now, so he's probably close by. But what he told me was, he said, let's see. His name is Yaya Barry. He's the bird watching guide. Um, he offered to take me to Cotu Creek, the famous Cotu Creek. So if I disappear, all of y'all know who I was with. Okay? Um, I'm going to do an interview with him so you'll have his face as well. Oh, look at this, y'all. He's calling while I'm speaking to you. So let's hear what he has to say. Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said that you just might have around the country.
Okay, are you outside?
Uh,
Yes, this is Andrea. Are you outside? Yeah, 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 Barry. Can you hear me? It seems like we. Yes, I'm here. Yeah, y'all. That's how the connection is for real. It's a bad connection sometimes. I'm gonna call him back and see if I have him on the phone, if that will help. Phone is ringing now. Yes, can you hear me? Okay. Are you outside or do you need more time? Of course, of course. I'll be down 5 minutes. Okay, I'll head out. All right. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, so he'll be here in 5 minutes. You all heard it. So let me just real quick. He said, um, the session should last for about 3 or 4 hours. We can always end it earlier if I've had enough. He said the walk is slow and we could be in a particular spot for 5 to 10 minutes. The pace is handy, so you will enjoy it. We'll advise you put on a long trouser, short sleeves, or a t-shirt, a hat, small camera. I'll have my phone. I have my sun hat. Walking shoes. I'm gonna wear my sneakers. Keep my feet covered. He said, apply your mosquito repellent. Even though there's no big threat of mosquitoes, but prevention is the best cure. So let me show you. I have a hat that I carry with me everywhere, because I've gotten burnt like on my chest and on the back of my uh, neck. This is my hat. It's a foldable hat, and I take it everywhere with me. So I'll tie my scarf, tie my hair down, and then I'll put my hat on if I need to, my foldable hat. So wish me luck when I come back. I hope to have some footage out there at the birds. Yes, y'all, I'm very excited about these birds. I don't know nothing about birds, but I'm about to learn today, and so will you. Blessings.